Okay. Hi Chris, I hope you're well. So I'm in Abu Dhabi. We are about to try your, magic snooker balls, the training balls with a very enthusiastic player, Ali. Let's see if we can make the same shot as we were expecting Shani to do. Okay, Ali, what I want you to, you play it and wait, leave your cue where it is and see if it comes back and hits your tip. That's a good shot. Very good shot. Again, please. So you see the people are getting better, isn't it? Yeah. Slight offline. Okay. Straight. Dead straight. But let it roll first. Let it roll first so it can adjust its weight to, yes, like this. Wait. Okay, now place it. You have to be steady, Ali. If you are not steady, it's not straight. Bring it, yes. If you're not straight, it will never come straight. No, play full. Don't play slow. Play full because this is very light ball. So if you play slightly fast, it will come accordingly. Adjust it. Let it adjust, please. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now you see you played with confidence. Before you were a bit afraid, wasn't it? So that's what it takes, confidence. You even potted the ball. It's good. One more try, then we'll try another practice. Yes. Very nice. Okay, we are going to try another practice. Okay, now again, Chris Henry's invention. Steady, stay steady when you play this shot. Don't move. Very good. Try one more. Come on, Ali, you can do it. It seems your ball is probably not straight, maybe, but looks straight. Very good, very good, very nice. You've done it in third attempt. Okay, let's try this in the long port again. Chris Henry's invention. It was not straight. Let's try this shot again. Voila! Excellent. Okay, now both balls. Beautiful, Ali. You are improving so much. MashaAllah. Great, man. Good luck. So, Chris, you see the people are enjoying it. It is very difficult. His feedback is very difficult. What do you think, Ali? Is it difficult?
Yeah, it's
Tell him.
much difficult.
Yeah, because Chris is gonna watch this video and he's gonna give you the feedback of your hitting as well. So it is a very difficult gadget, or what called balls, but we are working on it. So please do send me your feedback when you get time. And for my viewers and followers, I would like you guys to, buy this gadget if you want. The link to buy this gadget is in my description. So good luck.